Alright, there it is. What the heck is that? Oh, there it is. There it is right there. Oh, lead bullet. I think it's a bullet. Odd shaped bullet. Cool. Morning, guys. Hey, we're going to do a mail call real quick. This is from Clark's Cove Detecting. And I just put this Costa Rican 100 colones. That I actually got this when I was in Costa Rica. The date on it is September 1993, 28th of December. But yeah, I was just covering the my address with that. So let's get on to it here, guys. Crack this sucker open. If you haven't checked out Clark's Cove Detecting, please do. Great channel, and he also just recently did the like the men's health, the veterans suicide support challenge for the suicide awareness, and that's a huge thing. I mean, that's so huge, and you got to go watch his the last time he did it, which he did it again, and he just tried to do 100 push-ups all at once, which was a valiant effort, and just it was cool to see him really giving it all. And it's, yeah, I just can't say enough about it. So looks like he sent a note. It says, thanks for the sticker and the extras. We had none of these. Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that, guys. Yes, doing hunting on a regular basis. Hope the same on your end. Okay. Thanks again for your support. Let us know when you receive these. Thanks, the Clarks, Robert, and Melissa, CCD, Clark's Cove Detecting. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate this. And they sent 2 stickers here. Here's the first one. I like that. I really like that, especially considering, I'm sorry, I'm going to shake the camera a little bit. Considering where I'm about to go if my back holds out. I'm about to go somewhere where there's creeks and pine trees. And I've been there before with you guys. And so that is a cool sticker. I love it. I love nature. I love the outdoors. And then this one is, you lose it, we find it, Clark's Cove Metal Detecting. And it's got the little YouTube symbol there on it. Super cool sticker. And these will go on the sticker board, guys. Thank you so much. And glad you got my stuff as well. And yeah, again, go on over there and check them out, guys. Clark's Cove Detecting. Great channel, great people, most importantly. And he's got some neat areas to hunt, as you'll see if you go over there. So I encourage you to do that. I'll drop a link in the description, and I will also put a picture up of their channel here. And I'll catch you guys a little bit later. Cheers.